To set up a group assignment in Moodle, first be sure you have your groups already created. See the groups video in the description to review that process if need be. Once you have your group set up, we can make our group assignments. So let's take a look at our assignment. After filling in your assignment's details, scroll down to Group Submission Settings and expand that section. Change the option Students Submit in Groups to Yes, which will make more options appear. For the second option, Require Group to Make Submission, you'll want to check Yes unless you have a student who is by themselves for some reason. If you want to require all group members to submit something, you'll need to change another setting first. Go up to Submission Settings and check Yes next to Require Students to click the Submit button. If you go back down to Group Submission Settings, you'll see the third option is no longer grayed out. Check Yes if you want to require each group member to submit a portion of the work or a copy of the whole assignment, perhaps. The last option is for groupings. If you've already made a grouping, which is a collection of groups, you'll want to select that here. You can select none, but it's not recommended, as it will most likely create other unanticipated problems depending on the groups you have set up already. Again, if you're unsure about groupings, please see our video on creating groups. Now select Save and Display. You can see here on the assignment page the number of groups, so double check that that number is correct. When it comes to grading, remember that when you grade one member's submission, the whole group will get that grade. If you required all group members to submit work, then the submission will appear as a draft until they all submit something. If you need further assistance setting up group assignments, please contact the Office of Online and Distance Learning. Thanks for watching.